Welcome guys, welcome to How to Duel. Yes, you are listening very right. Welcome to the How to Duel. Today we are going to letting you know that what to do if our laptop or computer keyboard stops working or get out of order. Now keep watching the video. Today we are going to letting you know that what you can do if your laptop or computer keyboard problem give you any problem and you are doing a very important work. Then how you can solve this problem. I mean, you can do your work without hesitating, but it can take a little bit of time, but you can complete the work. First of all, don't forget to like the video and subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Now if your laptop or computer keyboard is not working, what you can do now. First of all, that is very easy to get rid on this problem for a while. You have to get it repaired, your hardware. But before that, if you are doing some sort of important work, what you will do, you have to just go to start button, and then you have to type on screen keyboard. Yes, you can see over here it says on screen keyboard. You have to open it and you can type easily. As you can see, you can type over here this. Okay, this can, it can take a little bit of time, and you can do like this. You can do it easily, very easy, and you can find it out. I'm going to telling you again how you can find it. You have to just type a keyboard, and you can find over here option like over here, but over here option like this, on screen keyboard. You have to open it and you can use it easily. Hope you understand that how you can get read on this problem, that if your computer or laptop keyboard get out of order or stop working, you can easily get find the solution for this. Hope you understand that how you can do. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.